All right, so I've talked about film recipes a ton in a lot of my videos, and I'm very passionate
So
about
I've been
them.
testing out a film recipe. Film recipes is the film recipes.
About
It's
them.
something I got
But
in.
one thing I haven't talked about is how to create them as a custom preset in your camera. So you can go between multiple film recipes as easy as the click of a button. And that's what I'm gonna get into today. I'm not gonna get into a lot of the nitty gritty of it. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So the first thing you do is you've created your film recipe. Maybe you've created timeless tone, which is my custom one, and I'll have those settings down below in the description. But say you create a timeless tone and you want to create another one. You want to create black and white, and then from there you want to create Kodak Gold or Kodachrome 64. Whatever it may be, whatever your favorite film stock is, you want to create that and go between multiple of them. Well, here's a shortcut. First, you go to Menu, IQ, Edit/Save Custom Settings, and from there you have C1 through C7. Think of each C as a custom film recipe. And from there, now you can have up to 7 film recipes. And that's ultimately how you save your film recipe. So each C, each custom is a film recipe. And then you want to have it so it's one click away. And for me, I have that one click right here. This button right here is my switch to going through all of my film recipes. And to do that, you go to Menu, you go to Setup, you go to Button/Dial Settings, you go to Function/FN Settings, you go to R Dial, and then you select Custom Setting. In doing that, it allows you to simply just click this button right here, and you can go between each film recipe. So in my case, I have each one. I have Kodak Gold, I have Kodak Porta 400, I have Kodachrome 64, I have Cinestill, Black and White Superior, Vintage Cinematic, and then finally Timeless Tone, which is my custom one. And that's ultimately how I switch in between film recipes when I'm out shooting. Film recipes are cool. They're dope. They're fun to play with. I'm very passionate about them. It's the only way I really capture photos. But what's cooler is being able to capture them in the film stock you want and to do it fast. And with doing that shortcut, you're able to do so. And it's not limited just to this button. You can have it set to really any button on this camera. I just found that this is the fastest that I can click it and then switch through what I want. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you're going to use this shortcut. I've had a few requests on not how to make film recipes, but more so how to create a custom button for them within your Fuji. And for me specifically, my Fuji X106. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And this cold brew from Trader Joe's, pumpkin spice, 'tis the season. This thing is amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.